Friends, as you all know today's value of online and in the marketplace, from industry giants to small companies, all are doing 70 to 80% of their promotion online, like Facebook, Instagram. Through these mediums, every company is going online. That's just digital only. Friends, we spend a lot of time on Facebook, YouTube, and various types of social media applications that do not benefit us financially, but all these companies are making a lot of money through you. Social media companies like Facebook are earning revenue of 5 lakh crore rupees a year, and their current market value is 36 lakh crore rupees. Why am I telling you all this? Because friends, the company I'm going to tell you about is Osmose Technology. This company has been working in the application base since 2016. And as you know, social media is the best medium for advertising. Keeping this in mind, the company launched a social media application named PicFlick to make these advertisements reach as many people as possible. This concept is India's first marketplace, and the biggest feature is the user is going to make money, meaning you, the user, is going to get paid to use this application. By now, all such companies in India give payment to you in either a week, 15 days or a month, but here you are going to get instant payment. Its website is osmosetech.com. So without further ado, I'll take you straight to the business plan. So by going to the website here, you have to join with enrollment PIN. The amount of PIN is only 1180 rupees, in which you will get a discount coupon of 1200 rupees of the e-commerce portal of the company. And with this, you have to download the PicFlick application created by the company from the Google Play Store and register it with the same mobile number. And just after this, you will start to get income. Daily, as we use social media applications like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, in the same way, we just have to start using PicFlick and making posts in it, reading posts of people, sharing videos. That's all we have to do. We will start to earn daily. So how do we get money? See, if you tell 10 people and 10 people join you in this system, so they too will start earning 20 rupees daily like you, and you will start earning extra 10 rupees from these 10 people. Now, if these 10 people repeat the same thing as you did at second level, 100 people are joined, and from these 100 people you get 100 into 2 equal 200 rupees a day, which is 6,000 rupees monthly income. In the same way, if these 100 people get 10 people joined in the system like you, then on the third level you have 1000 members and you get 1000 into 3 equal 3000 rupees daily. That is 90,000 rupees monthly income. Then on the fourth level you have 10,000 members and you get 10,000 into 4 equal 40,000 rupees daily. That is 12 lakh rupees monthly income. Fifth level will be 10,000 into 10. That is 1 lakh into 5 equal 5 lakh rupees income per day. At the sixth level, 10 lakh into 6 equal 60 lakh income per day. And at the last 7th level, your member number will be 1 crore and your daily income will be around 7 crores. That's the amount of money you can make from this system. And what you withdraw here will be deposited in your bank account within the next 3 working days. And when you talk about deduction, there is 10% deduction. In this 5% TDS and 5% admin, and the minimum withdrawal is only 500 rupees. So friends, if you want more information about the company, then contact them from where you got this video and join the system.